Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. And today we are going to make a dark orange color using Artist's Loft watercolors. We'll start by mixing 2 equal parts of the orange yellow, and then we'll add 1 equal part of burnt umber. Now I got a little too much burnt umber here, so I'm just going to take a little bit off to make it an equal part. You don't want to have too much. And you want to make sure all the parts that you're mixing up are equal. So I'm going to mix this all up for you and make sure to incorporate both colors to make dark orange. So we've made a really beautiful color here. I'm going to get a piece of mixed media paper and show you how the dark orange values paint out when you add water. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to Courageous Color for more color mixing videos. I want to invite you to check out my color mixing book. Here's a quick preview of the basics of color mixing, written and illustrated by me, Sarah Claire. After reading this book, you will know how to identify and define primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, harmonious and contrasting colors, as well as color values. You will learn how to mix secondary colors using primary colors, how to mix tertiary colors using primary and secondary colors, also how to mix or avoid mixing contrasting colors, how to mix various color values using equal parts or percentages, and how to make pastel colors and shadow colors. This book is available as an ebook for just $3.99 and in paperback. Just click on the link at the top of the description and that will take you to the Amazon page where you can read more.